Hello everyone, today we will be creating our Nextjs 13 application with Tailwind CSS. We will see how you can use Tailwind CSS with Nextjs 13. And guys, now let's begin. First of all guys, here I'm going to open the nextjs.org. This is the Nextjs official website, and guys, here I'm going to type Tailwind CSS with Nextjs. And guys, now you can see this is now you can see you install Tailwind CSS with Nextjs. Here I'm going to click on this, and guys, now you can see now here I'm going to click on this documentation, and guys, now you can see I'm going to copy this, and guys, now here I'm going to open VS Code, and guys, here I'm going to open terminal, and guys, now here I'm going to clear all this, and lastly here I'm going to paste this, and here I'm going to type dot and backslash, and guys, now Nextjs 13 is installing in this folder. And guys, before going any further, I want to tell you, if this video will hit let's see 100 likes, then guys, I will create a video, and in that video I will tell you how you can create full stack vlog application with Nextjs 13 and Tailwind CSS. Also, we will see how you can create APIs Nextjs 13. So guys, make sure to like this video. So guys, now here you can see, would you like to use TypeScript with this project? Here I'm going to type no. Here I don't want to. And guys, here I'm going to type yes. Now guys, you can see this is installing our Nextjs 13 application, and guys, here you have to wait for some time. Till then, here I'm going to pause this video, and here I will come back here after this will be installed. Now guys, now you can see now Nextjs 13 has been installed, and guys, now you can see Nextjs 13.0.6, and guys, now here I'm going to close this, and here I'm going to go to Chrome, and here in Tailwind CSS, and guys, here I'm going to copy this, and guys, now here I'm going to paste it over here. Nextjs npm install -d and Tailwind CSS post CSS. Copy this over here, and px install Tailwind -p. Now guys, now you can see now here this will take less time to install than Nextjs 13. Now guys, now you can see this is finished, and guys, here I'm going to paste over here and px Tailwind CSS init -p. And guys, now this is finished, and here I'm going to clear this, and guys, here I'm going to run yarn dev. And guys, also now next thing that here you have to do, copy this, and guys, now here we have to come to Tailwind config.css, and guys, here I'm going to paste it over here. And guys, now we are done. Here I'm going to open this, and guys, here you can see next thing I will do, go to style, and guys, now here we have forgotten something. Here we have to paste this. Here we have to paste this over here in global.css at the top, and guys, you can see now we are finished. Now guys, Nextjs 13 has been connected with Tailwind CSS. Now you can connect Nextjs 13 with Tailwind CSS like this, and guys, now you can see now font has been changed, everything has been changed. This means Nextjs 13 has been connected. Here I'm going to delete this home.module.css because we don't need this. And guys, now next thing here we will do, go to pages.js, and you can see now here we will remove this, and here also I will remove this name. Here I will also remove this style container, and guys, here I will cut this over from here to till the footer. Now we are done. You can see this blank page, but guys, you can see this black page. We don't want this black page, so for that here I'm going to go to global.css, and guys, here I'm going to here I'm going to comment this, and guys now everything will be done. And guys now you can see, now if you type here h1 dot, let's see, container, and guys here I will type hello Nextjs 30, and guys now you can see like this. But guys now let's see how you can use Nextjs 13 with Tailwind CSS. So for that, here I'm going to type text will be, let's see, black text, font will be bold, and text will be, let's see, 3XL. And guys now you can see we have used Nextjs 13 with Tailwind CSS. Like this you can use Nextjs 13 with Tailwind CSS. Now guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get Nextjs 13 video with, so guys if you want to get a blog app with Nextjs 13, then guys please make sure to hit 100 likes. In that video I will tell you how you can create full stack application with Tailwind CSS and Nextjs. I will use Nextjs APIs and server-side rendering and many features of Nextjs to show you how you can use that in Nextjs 13. So guys, please make sure to hit the 1,000. So guys, please make sure to hit 100 likes, and guys also please make sure to subscribe this channel, because guys there are many people who watches these channel videos, but guys they don't subscribe. So guys, for that please make sure to subscribe this channel. So now bye bye.